Hello and welcome everyone. This is Dave, your business coach, and welcome to today's session. Um, and today we're going to explore how to create a professional online course using um, the power of the artificial intelligence known as AI, right? And as a coach, I work with many individuals who have valuable knowledge and skills, but hesitate to create a course because they think it requires, months of work, expensive software, or advanced technical expertise. But the good news is that AI has, changed the game. And today, anyone can transform their knowledge into a structured, high quality online course faster and more efficiently than ever before. Whether you're a business, professional, fitness, um, marketer, educator, entrepreneur, right? AI tools can definitely help you plan, create, design, and even market your course. So, in this session, you'll learn how to use AI tools such as chat, GPT, Canva, right, for presentation generators. Um, there's one more couple of tools that we'll go through, um, and we'll cover everything from selecting a profitable course topic and creating the lesson outlines to developing content, designing course materials, and preparing your course for launch. So always remember, guys, people are willing to pay for solutions, skills, and knowledge that eventually help them achieve a desired outcome. So your experience and expertise have value, and AI can help you package that value into a product that can educate, inspire, and generate the income, right? So let's start over. Let me just go forward and share you guys my screen so we can jump into the topic like straight away. Now, here we are. So we're gonna jump into directly to chat, because chat's gonna help us out in terms of getting the ideas, right? Of specific, you can say on ebook courses, right? Whatever you're trying to go forward with, otherwise, chat is definitely can help you out with that because chat is a very, very powerful AI tool that helps people create digital products more efficiently as well. I mean, it can assist with the, generating ideas, creating outlines, improving productivity, right? So whether someone wants to create an ebook, online course, social media content, chat helps speed up the process by reducing the time spent on, you know, writing it all down manually, right? So it is especially useful for like mostly for beginners because it simplifies complex tasks and helps organize information in a professional and structured way. So you know, um, by using chat, right, creators can focus more on building their brand and providing value to their audience, right? So in terms of getting the idea structure, chat's definitely can help us out with that. Um, if we try to go forward and give chat as like For example, if you're looking for ideas, we can ask chat something as, um, of course, ideas, for example, fitness, right? So in like couple of seconds, like in 5 to 10 seconds, you will find plenty of ideas that you can go forward and create a course on. And do remember, guys, these are the course. These will be the ideas. The chat will provide you some amazing ideas, like problem solving ideas that you can go with, because right here, in terms of creating a course, or even though it's an ebook, always find that niche that will, I mean, that will help people out solve uh, a solution to a specific problem, right? So you're not selling a course, selling an ebook, you're just selling a solution, right? It should be like that. For example, we get like fitness fundamentals for beginners. As you know, there are a lot of beginners who need help with that. Home workout without equipment, because you will find plenty of people we don't go, they don't do workout because they don't have the equipment, right? So you're creating a course on something like home workouts without the equipment, right? Then we have complete beginner's gym guide, how to start a fitness journey, weight loss for beginners, right? So there's a lot of good topics that you can get by using chat. So I have wrote down here course ideas, fitness, right? So you can write on anything in terms of marketing, sales, right? It can be about cooking, right? It can be on anything, but make sure it solves a specific problem, because you're at the end you're just selling a solution, right? So once that done, we found like plenty of ideas over here, as you guys can see. Now, if you want to create a course, right, for example, we got this one, because chat is not going to help us out only with the ideas, but it can also help us in terms of creating the whole course structure. For example, I pasted this over here, fitness fundamentals for beginners. And I'm going to say to chat is sorry, create a course on this topic, right? Now, once that's done, um, we got the course introduction here, modules as well, module 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, so in like couple of seconds, we got like plenty of modules over here, as you guys can see. Now we got plenty of modules over here, as you guys can see, with the lesson as well. Lesson one, module one, we got introduction to fitness. What is fitness? We got everything in place, right? That we need to complete the whole course. Now, we got the whole, this is not a complete course, right? Um, this is, you can just simply say it's a whole structure. But this structure is very helpful as well in terms of getting into some other tools. So you can get everything in like whole presentation, and you can download that as well. So got this over here. We got all the plenty of modules as well, as we can see. Um, and now we can get everything like into presentation as well, because the structure is very helpful. And also, guys, if you want to add something like into to the topic, you can definitely can add in, because chat's also going to help you out in terms of improving your grammar. So I mean, there will be no grammar mistakes. It can help you with, you know, draft the things out, right? Um, so if you have some knowledge about that specific topic, you can even write down over here, right? And you can tell chat to add this into a module, and chat's gonna add that your knowledge into that module as well, right? So you can also, I will highly suggest, if you can add your knowledge as well, that will be really great. Um, like your personal experience, because this is what people love. Uh, Now, once that everything is good to go, right? You got the whole structure ready. Now we can even go to Canva as well, because we can find um, plenty of templates over here, because Canva is a very amazing tools in terms of creating the digital products, right? So once you're into Canva, this will be the interface that you guys will see. Now we got like plenty of options here that we can explore. Um, right? Like in terms of creating digital products. Now, once you're logged into the Canva, this right here on the left side, we got home, projects, templates. So where we're gonna go, we're gonna go directly into templates, because uh on Canva we can find plenty of templates over here. Like these are the ready-made templates you can open up and you can make changes accordingly. I mean, you don't need a graphic design experience for this, because a lot of people anyone can make changes accordingly, right? So, and it's really, really, really beginner friendly. So once you're gonna use it first time, create something, and you'll be able to, get along with it, because it's super easy to use. So once we're into templates, we can search any of the templates. For example, even though we're, creating an ebook as an example, so I can write down something as ebook multiple pages, right? So we can find plenty of ebook templates as well. We got the structure already from the chat, and we can just copy and paste over here. Even though it's a course, we can search something like online course, presentation. Sorry about the spelling mistake. Presentation, right? So we will find plenty of presentation online for course presentation, as you guys can see right here, right? And we can open up and we can make the changes accordingly. For example, I click on this one, and if I want to make some changes into this template, we can make the changes. How are we gonna make the changes? You will find one option here that will say customize this template. So once you're going to click on customize this template, you will be redirected to that page. And once that is done, yeah. So once that is done, right, here we can make like plenty of changes, right? Like in terms of pictures, we can add pictures as well. Like if I zoom in just a little bit, just to help you guys understand much better. So we go on front page, we can make changes from here. For example, the this was already from the template, right? If we want to remove this, we can remove it. The easiest ways to make some changes into the fonts is by double clicking on it. So for example, I'm going to double click on it. We can write down something what we want to go with. We can go with something as fitness as an example, right? Fitness guide. It's like this, right? Um, you can make the changes accordingly. I've just wrote it down as business guide. Uh, we can, even though if you want to remove anything from the template, you can definitely can do the changes. For example, we want to remove this one. What we're gonna do is simple click on it like this. There's an option to delete. We can easily can delete it, right? You can even delete that one as well. You can paste your website link over here, or anything that you want to go with, you can write down right here. If you don't want something to be here, you can easily can delete that, because we got the delete option. Not only that, in terms of the fonts, we can definitely can make some changes in the fonts as well, in terms of increasing or decreasing the size of the fonts. Now, in terms of the sizes, definitely we can change the size of the fonts as well. For example, this is 100. You can decrease the size, remove it from the bold, right? You can do that easily like this. If you want to change the color of the font, and also guys, to get these options in front of you, you just have to click on the title. Now we got the text color. We can even though change the text color as well, like this, right? Also, we got the size as well. We can adjust this accordingly. Then we have the font style as well that we can make changes accordingly as well. So we can get plenty of options here that we can go with, like this, right? So you will find plenty of them over here that you can open up and select the best one over here according to your style. So this is how we can change the fonts and the styles as well. To change the picture is also very super easy to do. And what you need to do here in terms of changing the picture is you make sure you double click on the picture from here, right? You got templates, elements, text, brand, upload. So if you want like a picture that you already have, right, you wanted the same picture on your course or even though on your ebook, or anything, right? In terms of creating a physical product post. So what you need to do the same process, you double click on the templates picture. You will go on uploads. Then we have upload files. So once you click on upload files, you can select that picture accordingly and you can adjust it over here. Now, not only that, Canvas can also provide you some plenty of picture that you can use it for free. So how to get an access to those pictures, and these pictures are super amazing and with good quality and that you can use it. So you're gonna go directly on photos, which is right here. So once you're gonna click on photos, on the top it says search millions of photos, and we can search about anything. I mean, if it is on marketing, we can search on marketing, right? So whatever your topic is, so you can search about that specific topic, right? And you will find plenty of pictures accordingly. For example, I've searched marketing. We got the pictures for marketing, right? We can adjust it over here. We can choose this one, right? Any picture that you want to go with. Um, right? So we can go with this, right? Like this, right? You can adjust this accordingly, right? Um, in terms of research marketing, we can search like, fitness as well. You will find plenty of pictures for fitness that you can use it like to create a whole course. As you guys can see, these are like very good quality pictures that you can use over here in the Canva. Now it's on the free version. So there will be a lot of templates because that will require you to get you the Canva Pro version. But I will highly suggest you guys if you can get the Canva Pro version because you will get an access to millions of templates that you can use, right? With good, with a very amazing presentation, very amazing, templates that you can use on the Canva Pro. In the photos as well, as you guys can see on the photos, this with a crown sign, this means it requires a Canva Pro, right? So if you're planning like in terms of creating digital products and you want some good quality pictures without the needing of the graphic designer, even though you're selling the physical products, Canva Pro is not a bad investment, right? So if you go on the next page, right, if you want to make some changes from here, definitely you can do it, right? In terms of content, right, you can write to copy paste the content just like this. If you want to write something down here, and you can, make all the changes accordingly to your style, right? So this is how you're going to complete the whole, you can say the whole presentation, right? So you can get the whole structure. You can create like a whole structure with the help of AI, right? Then what you can do, you can simply jump into Canva and you can make the changes accordingly, like whatever your style is. And also, not only we can create a course with the help of Canva, you can also create an ebook. If I simply show you guys really quick, if I go on templates, right? And here we will find plenty of more options that we can do, not only in terms of creating a course or an ebook. We got presentation, poster, resumes, right? Email, logo, Instagram post, even though we got Instagram story as well that you can create and make changes to it and you can upload it to get the organic growth. Um, we got plenty of options, right? Flyer, brochure, menu, mobile video, Facebook post, business card, photo collage. Um, so we got like plenty of options that we can go over and make the changes accordingly, right? So, um, hope you guys have learned something new from the topic as for today's session. And thank you so much for watching. This is your coach, Teo.